Hi lovelies, welcome to today's tutorial. If you're interested in knowing how to make this lovely girl's braided ponytail, then this video is for you. For this tutorial, I will be using a Kanekalon braiding hair extension, a pack of beads, elastic hair bands, colored flexible rubber bands, and a bow clip. The first step is to prepare your braiding hair by cutting it into your desired length, and I've had this braiding hair for a while now, but I'll just go ahead to divide mine into 3 equal lengths. After cutting the braiding hair into your desired length, the next you want to do is to carefully stretch your braiding hair. Next, you want to go ahead to separate your braiding hair into your desired braid size. I have carefully separated mine to give me a medium-sized braid, and I will be making 9 braids in total. Next, I go ahead to use my pins to secure the elastic hair bands on the mannequin. The next thing you want to do is to insert your braiding hair in and out of the band. And then you carefully separate the hair into 3 strands, and you braid by interlocking the 3 strands into one another. I will go ahead to repeat the process until I have 9 braids in total. The next thing we're going to do is to place the bead into the bead inserter so that it is sitting just at the bottom of the inserter. And then you carefully place the braided hair into the loop of the inserter. And then you drag the bead upwards while the braid is still in place so that the braid comes out through the hole of the bead. You go ahead to repeat the process again until we have 2 beads per 1 braid. The next thing to do is to use the flexible rubber band to secure the bead so that the bead doesn't give way. Carefully place the rubber band over the bead just together with the hair, and then you go ahead to wrap multiple times to ensure that you have a secure hold on the bead and the hair. Next thing to do is to go ahead to trim the braids to ensure that you don't have any excess hair flying out. After trimming, the next thing you want to do is to apply your hair mousse just to ensure that you have a firm and secure braids. The last thing you want to do is to insert your bow clip just at the top of the elastic band. This is a simple and easy to wear braided ponytail for girls. All you just have to do is to wrap the elastic band around an updo hairstyle for your girls, and then you just insert the clip just at the top of the ponytail and you're ready to go. If you know that this video has been of help to you, do not forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.